In this video, we are going to show you a tour and do a full review of the 4 Points by Sheraton Costa Blanca in Benidorm. We're going to show you a full room tour, breakfast, the bars, the lounges, the pools, all of the outdoor space. So stay tuned. We are Savor in Style. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future hotel and cruise reviews. The hotel is located right next door to the Terra Mitica and Mundomar theme parks. You don't even have to get in your car. You can walk right across the parking lot. The hotel is located in Benidorm, about a 10-minute taxi ride into town, whether you're going into the old town or sort of the new party part of town. It'll cost you about 10 to 15 euros to get there. Front desk was ever so happy to call us a taxi anytime. It took less than 5 minutes to come. The hotel has been recently renovated. It used to be called the Grand Luxor Hotel, but now it is the 4 Points by Sheraton. Here you have a little bit of a work center. That computer is always there for anybody to use. Really, really nice job that they've done on this hotel. I cannot believe the greenery, the roses, just the lovely, lovely property. Right off of the front desk, you've got a pantry area. You can just sort of grab and go, let them know what you've taken. There's, again, sort of the front desk. Heading outside, the outdoor space is amazing. There are two different sides to the hotel that face Benidorm. They both have incredible outdoor seating. Here they're building another outdoor bar. This is right off of the buffet here. Lots of great seating, covered as well, which is fantastic. Lovely, lovely couches and sort of chaise lounges that you can sit at. Not too much shade though, and I'm not sure if that's just because the time of year. We were there in April, if it's sort of off season or if there's going to be more umbrellas normally. That was something I did note. The bar here was fantastic, open basically all day, kitchen, pretty much anything you wanted, room service as well. They do not provide room service to the Grand Villas, which is next door. It is also a 4 Points property, but the room service does not extend to that property. Really well-appointed bar, tons of great local beers, pretty much every alcohol you could name. They had a really beautiful space. This again is on the other side now, looking toward Benidorm, but on the sort of right-hand side. More and more outdoor space. They had a giant reception the first night we were there. Toyota was having a conference. They had, tons of people outside. So really lovely space. They do weddings there as well. Here's just looking down on sort of the front of the grounds. And then again is the view. Gorgeous view of Benidorm. Like I said, about a 10-minute taxi ride into town. It's a perfect escape, this hotel, I thought, because you were able to go and have your fun in town, go down to the beach, enjoy whatever you want to do, and come back to the hotel. We found it very quiet, very peaceful. Again, we were there sort of the last weekend of April. Very, very quiet. I know in the summertime, of course, it gets to be very busy. We did order room service from the bar, and I'm going to say the burger and fries were amazing. The chicken wings were a bit more like pigeon wings, to be honest. The pizza was okay, so the food was sort of hit and miss. There are 2 pools on property. There is a heated pool, which is what you're looking at here. Really lovely, lots and lots of seating. Again, not the most shade, a couple of trees. And that's sort of first come, first served. And there's a second pool on the other side, which is much larger. And that does have sort of cabanas. And again, nobody was out. I mean, it was a lovely day, but I didn't see a single person in the pool for the 2 days that we were there. But, really lovely space. Come out and just lay out, read a book. Little waterfalls there. They've got sort of a couple of cabanas here you can see. Again, they don't have it all sort of set up for summertime yet, but I can imagine that would get very, very busy during the summertime. The breakfast buffet, we were lucky enough we had it included due to our platinum status with Marriott. I'm not sure how much it was per person if you did not have the status or included in your room. It was served daily from 7:30 till 10:30. Really nice selection. Pretty much everything you would hope to have. You've got, your sort of all your jamon, your cured meats, lovely cheeses, lots and lots of sort of croissants, donuts, muffins, fresh fruit, fresh squeezed juices as well. Lots and lots of great choices, different kinds of milks there. You've got your yogurt, nuts, all kinds of little things to sprinkle on. And you've got your little sort of salad area, your pureed tomato for your, bocadillo, whatever you want to have for breakfast there. Again, more and more pastries. There was fresh squeezed orange juice, a water section here. There are 4 coffee and tea machines that are self-serve. So pretty much, yeah, whatever you want in there as well. Nice selection of tea, nice selection of coffee. Really nice. They did have hot items on the menu. Our complaint was, we've noticed this twice now, this is the second time we've stayed at the hotel, that the hot items were not particularly hot. They were room temperature at best, to be totally honest, both days and both times that we were there. But it was a nice selection. Eggs, basically full English, tomatoes, mushrooms. They had some nice gluten-free options here in the corner. Tons of seating. I could not believe how much seating there was in this buffet. When we were there was only maybe a dozen of us in there. But really any seating that you could possibly ask for. There was also spillover outdoor seating, which you sort of saw the backside of a minute ago. And here is that seating, very comfortable seats and covered with a lovely, lovely view. We had booked a mountain view room, which is the cheapest room you could get at about 79 euros a night. But we knew we were most likely going to be upgraded, which we were. We were upgraded to a sea view room, which we really appreciated, and that would normally be about 130, 140 euros a night. Really well appointed, pretty standard double sink in the bathroom, stand-up shower. The shower head was adjustable. It was quite low when we came in, but adjustable. Great water pressure. You've got your shower gel, shampoo and conditioner as well that were included, extra towels, and then there was a towel rack, towel warmer. I could not figure out how to turn it on, but it was there, just so you know. Of course, the toilet with a sliding door. You do have not many amenities in there as far as sort of your toothbrush kit or anything like that. You did get lotion and soap included, and of course the hairdryer. And then going into the room, you've got your wardrobe, which you've got extra blankets and whatnot for the pull-out couch, which I will show you. You've got laundry bag, your safe, your 4 drawers, and then more hangers, as well as your ironing board and your iron extra pillows as well. We found the room to be, a really nice room, very comfortable, nice bed, AC worked great. On the side of the bed, on this side, you've got 1 European plug, as well as sort of your nightstand, night lamp. And then swinging around, you've got the sort of your desk area where you have your kettle and your sort of like a little mini bar section. Nice sized TV as well. There were 2 outlets here. None of the outlets had any USB or any sort of connectors like that. You need to definitely bring your connections for your chargers. We only had 3 plugs in the room total. Got a nice fridge there. You can bring back some leftovers. We got a nice curry. Brought that back. That was nice. A couple of waters that were included. And on the side of the bed as well, you've got your nightstand, a couple lamps, reading lamp. But the plug that was there was used by the telephone. This sofa did fold out into a fold-out bed. And so onto the balcony, did have a very lovely view again, which I mentioned earlier. A couple of chairs, little table, have morning coffee outside. Really, really nice. And here you can see basically the whole property. It's a very long property, very large. And again, next door you have the villas, and there is a shuttle service that can take you between the villas and the this property if you have friends staying in either one, or if you're staying at the other one, you want to go over and have dinner. This is their Essence restaurant, which was open daily from 7:30 to 10:30. Mediterranean, Italian food. Really lovely space. It has a little buffet section as well, and a nice full bar. Reservations were not needed, and the staff was really, really lovely. So included in our room, or any rooms that you book at this hotel, one of the big perks is you do get complimentary tickets to the Terra Mitica theme parks as well as Mundomar, which was fantastic because Terra Mitica is usually about 38 euros per person, and Mundomar's is 32 euros per adult, from what I understand. So that was a real steal to get those tickets. Really take advantage of that. Nicely appointed a gym, everything you could ask for. You've got all your, treadmills, bikes, yoga balls, free weights. There was a cute little fun zone as well, just off of the seating area by the buffet for kids. There was a change machine inside, so you can get all the change you need for the kids to come and play. It appeared to be open pretty much all day long. There wasn't anybody in there. Again, pretty much, I think at the resort it was just us and the Toyota conference, to be honest. Really cute little miniature golf course. And miniature is putting it lightly. It was very small, but really cute enough. And you can get the balls and clubs from the reception at the hotel. There's also a huge conference area, which I mentioned before. This was originally, I think, the lobby check-in area when the hotel was the previous Grand Luxor, but very large space, lots and lots of conference rooms. And the underground parking was unbelievable. I have to show you this because, especially being in Spain, anybody who's traveled or in Europe, you know this is the biggest parking lot you're ever going to find. It was 12 euros a night, or you can park anywhere on the resort for free. But wow, that is the biggest parking lot I've ever seen. But hey, I hope you enjoy our review. Hope to see you up on the road. Enjoy Benidorm. Stay safe. And thanks again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.